Hi, I'm Tina Patterson, the clinician with a mission. Are you planning to take your kids on vacation this year? Well, I was thinking about vacation time with my family, and we've had some really spectacular, wonderful vacations, and then we've had some disasters. The children were crying, my husband was complaining, and nobody was having a good time. So, one of the tips I would offer is that a little planning on the parent part would really help the kids be a part of the experience. How do you do that? Well, you're going to want to combine some choices and infuse that so that the kids are making choices about where to eat, what kind of activities they want to be involved in, and then they're a part of that whole vacation experience. For more behavior quick tips, please visit my YouTube page, Clinician with a Mission.